Pentecost, also called the Feast of Weeks, Shabbat in Hebrew. This celebrated the wheat harvest, which occurred later in the spring. Also, traditionally, it was associated with the giving of the law at Mount Sinai, 50 days after the Exodus. It happened 50 days after the Feast of First Fruits. Hence the name Pentecost, which is Greek for 50th. The people offered 2 loaves of leavened bread from the new wheat crop along with sacrifices. This was a time of rejoicing, generosity, and caring for the poor and needy.